Do you buy expensive green juice to clean your body after a big party?
Or do you stop eating for 3 days and only drink lemon water to detox?
Welcome back to Everyday English Talk. I'm Ben.
And I'm Anna. Hello, everyone. Today, we are talking about a very interesting health topic. It is a big question for many people.
Exactly. We are looking at detox drinks. Do they really work, or are we just wasting our money?
My friends spend so much money on these special drinks to clean their bodies. Do you believe in detox drinks, Ben?
Oh, I definitely think they are a waste of time and money. Let's get into it.
So, let's talk about the problem first. When I look at social media, everyone is doing a 3-day juice cleanse. Have you seen this, Ben?
Yes, I see it all the time. People buy 5 or 6 bottles of special green juice, and they do not eat any real food for 3 whole days.
Exactly. They do not chew anything. They only drink these expensive juices. They hope it will help them lose weight quickly and clean out their stomachs.
But how do they feel during those 3 days? Do they feel healthy and full of energy?
Not at all. My friend tried it last month. She felt terrible. She was always hungry, very tired, and her head hurt a lot. She was also very angry because she had no energy to work or play.
That sounds like a terrible experience. Why do people do this to themselves? There is a very big misconception here. A wrong idea that many people believe about their own bodies.
What is the wrong idea? Why do people want to drink so much green juice?
People think their body is like a dirty, messy room. They think their stomach and blood are full of dangerous trash from eating fast food, sugar, and bad fats.
Yes, I hear people say that a lot. They feel dirty on the inside after eating a big pizza or a hamburger.
Right. And because they feel dirty, they believe they must pour special magic water or expensive detox juice into their bodies. They think the juice will wash away all the trash, just like soap washes a dirty floor.
That makes sense in my head. If my car is dirty, I use special soap to wash it. So if my body is dirty from bad food, I need special juice to wash it.
It sounds logical, but it is completely wrong. The human body is not a car, and it is not a dirty room. We do not need magic soap to clean our insides.
Really? So my friends are starving for 3 days and paying $50 for juice, and it does not even wash their bodies?
Exactly. It is a very sad situation. People suffer because they do not understand how their bodies actually work. We need to look at the real science to find the truth. Let's find out how the body really cleans itself. Welcome back, everyone. Let's look at the facts. Do we really need to buy expensive detox juice to clean our bodies?
I am very curious, Ben. Please tell me the truth. If the juice does not clean my body, what does?
The amazing truth is that your body already has a natural cleaning system. You do not need to buy anything from a store. Your body is born with the perfect tools to clean itself every single minute of the day.
A natural cleaning system? What does that mean? Does my body have its own washing machine inside?
Yes, basically. Your liver and your kidneys are your natural filters. They work 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. They take your blood, clean out all the bad things, and push the waste out of your body when you go to the bathroom.
Wow. So my liver and kidneys are already doing the job for free? A $10 bottle of green juice cannot do a better job than my own liver?
Exactly. If your liver stops working, a bottle of celery juice cannot save you. You would need to go to a hospital immediately. Your body is incredibly smart and strong.
But Ben, I have a question. My friends say they feel so much better and their stomachs look smaller after a 3-day juice detox. If the juice does not clean them, why do they feel so light and healthy?
That is a great question. The answer is very simple. It is not because the juice has magic powers. It is because during those 3 days, they cut down on all the bad food.
Oh, so because they are only drinking juice, they automatically cut down on eating pizza, fried chicken, and sweet cakes?
Yes. When you cut down on eating heavy, greasy food and stop drinking alcohol, your stomach gets a break. Your body feels lighter because you are not putting junk food into it. You stop doing the bad things, so you feel better.
That makes perfect sense. If I stop hitting my head against a wall, my head will stop hurting. It is not because of a magic juice. So, what is the real solution? How can we help our bodies stay clean without starving?
I have 3 very simple and cheap solutions for you. Solution number 1 is to simply hydrate your body with normal water.
Just normal water? I do not need to put expensive powders or special salt in it?
No, plain water is perfect. When you hydrate your body by drinking enough water every day, you help your liver and kidneys do their job. Water helps flush the bad things out easily. Just drink water when you are thirsty.
I can definitely do that. It is free and easy. What is solution number 2? Is eating fruit better than drinking juice?
Yes, absolutely. Stop making juice and start eating whole fruits and vegetables. When you put an apple in a juice machine, you throw away the most important part, the fiber.
Fiber? What is that? Why is it so important for my stomach?
Fiber is the tough part of the plant that your body cannot easily break down. Think of fiber like a little broom inside your stomach and intestines. It sweeps the inside of your body and pushes all the solid waste out.
Oh, I love that idea. So if I just drink the juice, I throw away the broom. My stomach has no broom to clean itself.
Exactly. You just drink the sugar water of the fruit, which makes you hungry again very fast. But if you chew the whole apple, you get the fiber, you feel full, and your stomach stays clean and healthy.
That is brilliant. I will stop buying juice and start buying real apples and carrots. Now, what is the third and final solution?
The third solution is the most important one for long-term health. You need to stop doing crazy 3-day diets. Instead, you must build a balanced diet every single day.
A balanced diet? Does that mean I can never eat a hamburger or a piece of cake again? I love cake.
No, you can still eat cake sometimes. A balanced diet means you eat a good mix of healthy things most of the time. You eat fresh meat, plenty of green vegetables, good rice, and whole fruits. You give your body the energy it needs.
So, a balanced diet is about eating good food every day, not just drinking juice for 3 days and then eating junk food for a month.
Exactly. You do not need to rescue your body with a detox if you treat it well every day. Give your body a balanced diet, drink plenty of water to hydrate, and eat lots of fiber. Your amazing natural liver will do the rest of the work for you.
This is the best news ever, Ben. I am going to save so much money. No more expensive green juice for me. I am going to eat a real dinner tonight.
Enjoy your dinner, Anna. Just remember to chew your food and drink a glass of water. So, let's quickly recap today's episode. Detox drinks do not have magic powers to clean your body. Your body already cleans itself for free.
Exactly. Save your money. Just drink normal water and eat healthy food every day. Now, let's review 5 important words from today's talk. Ben, what is number 1?
Number 1 is natural. This means something that comes from nature or from your own body, not made by chemicals in a factory. Your liver is a natural filter.
Number 2 is cut down on. This is a very useful phrase. It means to reduce or do less of something. For example, you should cut down on eating fast food to feel better.
Number 3 is hydrate. To hydrate means to give your body enough water. You need to drink water to hydrate your body every day.
Number 4 is fiber. Fiber is the tough part of fruits and vegetables that you chew. It acts like a broom to clean your stomach and keep you full.
And the last one, number 5, is a balanced diet. This means a healthy, daily eating plan. A balanced diet includes a good mix of meat, vegetables, and fruits every day.
That is all for today's episode of Everyday English Talk. We hope you learned something new and useful for your health and your wallet.
So, what about you? Will you eat a whole apple today, or will you buy an expensive detox juice?
Leave a comment below and let us know. Thank you so much for listening.
We will see you in the next episode. And always remember, keep moving, keep smiling.
Goodbye.